You got some money, don't know what to do with it, you know you should be investing, but you have no idea where to do or where to go with it. Well, stay with me and we will get on this topic right now. Hello, my name is Taylor Mark with Grace Financial Solutions, and you have came to the right place to learn about financial matters for day-to-day situations. Make sure you like this video, share with everyone, and make sure to subscribe so that I can come back month to month and give you more topics. When you're looking to invest your money, there are many options to consider. They range from GICs, Guaranteed Interest Certificates, which is on the safe end, all the way to the highly risky end, which is investing in securities. That's the buying and selling of individual stocks. While GICs are guaranteed not to lose your money, they don't grow very much either. It needs to keep up with inflation, because if it isn't, what you're doing is losing spending power. On the other end of the spectrum, stocks represent ownership in a company. It can go substantially up or dramatically down in a short period. You are at the mercy of a volatile market. As part of the general public, by the time you heard news about the companies that you own stocks in, it's already old news and it's too late to act effectively. Like Goldilocks with beds that were too hard and too soft, perhaps the right choice for you is with mutual funds. A mutual fund is an assembly of stocks, bonds, and securities gathered under one umbrella to be managed by a portfolio manager within a professional investment company. You, as the unit holder, get to sharing the buying power of the fund, and you get diversification in ways that are difficult for you to achieve on your own. With mutual funds, you can dial back and forth on the risk scale to suit your tolerance. There is no guarantees. You can still lose money, but the risk is mitigated through the fund's diversity. You rely on a portfolio manager to buy and sell within the fund. You should know who this person is. You should find out about their style, their background, and their record in the industry. It is your responsibility to research mutual funds, but with over 20,000 different funds in the market, the task is daunting and could even be unrealistic. You might get advice from your neighbor or Uncle Bob or that coworker that bragged about how much money he made in his investments. But I think it's wiser to get consultation with a financial advisor. To find an advisor, you can go to your bank. They are easily accessible. However, there is limitations on what kind of funds they have to offer. If you have $250,000 or more to invest, you may get access to the upper echelon of bank advisors who can provide better service and more options. The alternative is financial planners who are brokers. They are independent and have access to the majority of the many mutual funds out there. Most of these brokers will focusing on a handful of fund companies that they become knowledgeable in and work closely with. They would be able to tell you why these mutual funds is a good fit for you. Finding the right advisor takes time and patience. You should meet with multiple professions in the industry to experience different styles and personalities. Prepare a list of questions to ask them and compare their answers. Make sure they tell you how their fees are set up and how their practice is structured. Look for someone who listens to you and responds to you in a way that you can understand. Clear communication is essential to your success. Once you have the proper guidance in place, getting started in your investing is easier than you can imagine. Thank you for staying with me in this segment on investing. Engage with me in the comments below and let me know where you like investing in, or write to me directly through email. I want to be a resource for you and part of your financial advising team. Before signing off, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video, subscribe if you have not already, and love to be in touch with you on a monthly basis. In Grace Financial Solutions, financial success made simple. I'm sure we have a good one, but okay, let's try it one more time. Make sure they tell you how their fees are structured and how their practice is structured, and then we do a lot of structuring. And I can't wait to see you next week, or sorry, next month. Oh my gosh.